Leatherman Rebar. You got the 154 cm wire cutters, your needle nose, small nut or pliers. Then underneath here, in this part here, is like an auto crimper for those plastic pieces you can crimp. You got inches, and then you got centimeters on the side. You have a lanyard hook that I put my lanyard on. And why I use such a small lanyard, it's just easy to pull out of the pocket. Also, if you drop this with the bright blue, you'll see it in the grass. You access the tools from the inside. 420HC blade. It locks into place. You click. There's a little release. So you have a file. I'm just taking the tools out so people can see better. But anyways, you have a large screwdriver or pry bar. You have an awl, and then you have a smaller screwdriver. And on the other side, you have kind of a serrated sheep's foot safety blade. You have a 3D Phillips head. You have a bottle opener, can opener, plus a wire stripper back here. You have a wood saw, and the wood saw has like a two teeth, so if you cut one way, it cuts. When you bring it back, it also cuts, so it's like a two-way cut. And these are all locking to on this side. You have to release the tab to release them, which I like. And wire cutters are replaceable if you wreck or damaged them, or if you want to touch them up, you can touch them up. Just take them off and then. So yeah, that is the rebar I got. I upgraded from a fuse, Leatherman fuse.